One answer, 2-3 minutes. Okay.
Question 1. What kind of movies do you like to see? Support your answer. Question 2. Is social networking a good or a bad impact on kids? Support your answer.
O películas o redes sociales. A ver, yo pienso que podemos irnos por las películas. Películas, ciencia ficción. Listo. Ok, estamos tapando la cara. El cronómetro, ¿dónde está? Aquí está. Lo estamos tapando. Empezamos, bueno. Good morning. This is my ID card. My name is Sergio Alejandro Rancheros Casas. Okay. My favorite genre in the films is science fiction. Because science fiction integrates many genres, not only science fiction. In these films, including other genres, and they are very entertaining movies. For example, the saga that I like the most is the Marvel Avengers. All the films, the saga, Captain America, Avengers Endgame, Avengers Marvel, all the saga Avengers is my favorite film. These movies, including everything you want to see, they have an action part and that many combats and war action are present that make it a very entertaining movie. It's a movie very entertaining. One of the elements that I most like to find in movies are the special effects, and it is, I think, very interesting throughout what is seen to be able to imagine how we can experience situations of extreme danger and action. In addition to the fact the fiction that is present makes that the imagination of those who see these movies increase. There are the movies that I like to see in the cinema. Science, there you can see the special effects better, and the sound makes them more interesting. However, on my days of rest, I prefer watch a drama in my house, on a television, in a sofa. These movies, they usually have teaching or motivational message that makes them it's very interesting films to I prefer. Thank you.